YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we have the Surpass Hobby S1600M servo, and this is one of the short servos or compact, whichever way you want to look at it. It's a short body. They are held together with hex head screws. It's a 16 kilogram torque, so it produces 16 kilograms of torque, or up to 16 kilograms of torque. And I will put a link to the specs of this and a picture of all the little servo arms and everything and screws that you get with it. So I'll pop them up around here and I'll get you a shot of the specs so you know what to expect torque wise on this at different voltages. But it's been a while since we've had a servo on the torques meter, so let's get it set up and let's see what performance and at what voltage we get out of this thing. So we have this set up on a crazy torque meter. So let's go through and see what results we get. So we got an average of 11.3 or 9.8 feet-pound or 1.1 newton meters. So that's at 6 volt. Let's up the voltage. So this should be the 7.4 volt. So let's reset it. So we're getting 7.4 volt, we're getting 16 kilogram or 13.9 feet inch or 1.56 newton meters. Well, let's wrap this one up. So even at 6 volt, still plenty quick enough. So should be a good little servo for going in the likes of the Tamiya TT02 chassis. That's what I'm planning on doing with this one. Hopefully it will be more use than the Traxxas one that I've got in there at the minute that's a bit slow. But yeah, performance is at least on par, if not slightly higher than what it's advertised as, and it is a nice Coreless servo. I'm not sure if we can get in this one, but might be able to. And it is a decent length servo cable on this one. And let's see if I can zoom you in on that one. But very nicely set up. We've got little pads to stop the circuit being bashed around. There's no waterproof rating on it, but it is all machined aluminium casing. But yeah, quite a nice circuit board on this one. Quite a nice design, very compact, and a little bit of protection against it getting bumped or anything. And there's the 2 poles for the motor. So definitely a little Coreless design, and that is what it's advertised as. But impressive, nice looking little servo. And I think they're coming into UK delivered maybe just over £50 now. I think I got it a little bit cheaper, but I will put the link as usual in description below. And this is one from AliExpress. I'm sure you can get them from other places. And at the minute it's on their special offer with 15-day delivery to UK. So nice Surpass Hobby S1600M. I think it is only about £5 dearer for the brushless version, but I'd kind of like Coreless, especially in this price range. They've got nice quick response Coreless motors. So thanks for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Hopefully you like this kind of content or find it useful or entertaining. But don't forget to like and subscribe, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.